Alright family, what's good? Welcome to another edition of How Did We Get Here, which we will explain how we got here at another time. But right now, our goal is to get you there with this Oreo cheesecake. And yes, we are using actual Oreos, double stuff as a matter of fact. But with the cream cheese, man, we rocking with the great value today, man. Don't judge me. I know y'all gonna be mad it ain't the Philadelphia, but you know, no disrespect to Philly, but we going with the great value today, man, because you know what I'm saying, we gotta trying to hold on to some of these coins that we got right now, man. We ain't rich like y'all at the moment, so you know what I'm saying, we going with great value, man. Don't sleep on great value, because I have made this cheesecake with this specific cream cheese, the great value cream cheese, and it is still good, it is still delicious. The family still loves it, so you know what I mean? So we rocking with great value, man. In this case, it is a great value, so that's what we going with. But we are going with the real Oreos, though. You know what I'm saying? We ain't doing this. Ain't cookies and cream. This Oreo cheesecake. Is an Oreo cheesecake. It has actual Oreos in it. So if I may pretend like I'm not struggling to open this pack of cream cheese, we're gonna go ahead and open it. And this recipe, this Oreo cheesecake, calls for 3 packs of 8-ounce cream cheese. So, and first of all, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, or as I like to say, tree fitted, which I've already done. Actually, my wife already did it for me, so you know what I'm saying, shout out to her. She's working hard over there on the other side of the room. You know what I'm saying, y'all gonna see her in one of our other videos putting it down, but you know what I'm saying, right now I'm gonna get y'all right with this dessert, and I like to use this little spatula to get as much cream cheese in here as possible. It's gonna be a cup of sugar. We're gonna throw it in our mixing bowl, and then softened cream cheese, by the way, I forgot to mention softened cream cheese. Go ahead and get this going. 8 ounces of cream cheese. This is already 8 ounces, so you just dump the whole thing in there. Go ahead and use this spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Then we're going to use 3 large eggs. We're going to mix them in one at a time. Half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Like I said, it's an Oreo cheesecake, which we are using double stuffed Oreos for this one. So I think it's gonna take like 2 rows of these for our crust. Now I'm about to put y'all on game real quick. You know what I'm saying? About to give y'all the secret sauce. You know what I mean? So we're gonna take this Oreo, we're gonna twist it, put it in our food processor, and I'm gonna take the double stuff right here and scrape it off into the batter. So the recipe does call for a cup of sugar, but being that you're putting the stuffing inside the batter, you can use less sugar and it's still gonna be good. And And like I said, it probably take like 2 rows for the crust. 2 rows of Oreos. And double stuff is just better, in my opinion. So, yeah, we're gonna take the double stuffing and scrape it off into the batter. And one thing I forgot to mention, I got the party size DoubleStuf Oreos. So I'm gonna use 2 of these rows from the party size DoubleStuf Oreo pack. All right, so we got our cookies in our food processor. I'm gonna set this to the side, and then I'm gonna mix the double stuff in there. Yes, I am mixing it quite a bit, but I do like it to be real creamy. I promise you, it comes out real good. All right, so we got our food processor with our Oreos in there. We're gonna put the top on and crunch these bad boys up. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I got it. All right, let's go. Oh yeah. We're gonna take some melted butter and pour it in there. All right, look, I didn't measure it, bro. You know what I mean? You see the melanin, bro. I didn't measure, man. So it is what it is, man. There's probably about 2 tablespoons or something like that. But you know what I mean? Just experiment with it, man. You know, I just kind of eyed it and put it in there. But we're gonna pour some melted butter in the cookies, and then we gonna run it back. Next, I'm going to take my 9x9 spring-form pan, and I'm going to align it with 4 sheets of aluminum foil. I'm going to cross-stack them like this, and I will show you why after this part. So, take my foil. Around my pan with it. Wrap it around there pretty good. I think I'm actually gonna spray the bottom a little bit. Gonna pour our Oreos. Take that out. In there. Yes, I did wash my hands. Chill out. Don't come for me, bro. And either way, we pray over our food here, so we gonna be all right. But yes, I did wash my hands. Soap and hot water. All right. So that's our crust, and I got some crumbs left over. I'm gonna mix it in our batter right here. I'm gonna pour these crumbs in here. I'm gonna hand mix this. No crumb left behind. I'm gonna hand mix this junk. Oh yeah. We're gonna come back to our crust right here, and we're gonna pour this whole thing on top of our crust. Alright, so we got our water bath right here, which is the reason why I put so much foil around here, because the water can seep into the crevices of the springform pan. So, and the reason for our water bath is to eliminate the cracks in the cheesecake while it's baking. So we're going to put this in our water bath. And then we're gonna put it in the middle of our oven and bake for an hour, and I'll see y'all an hour from now in my time, but on the video it's gonna be the next second. All right, here we are. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, it got a little crack right there, but for the most part it came out smooth all around. Now of course we're gonna have to let it cool, but yeah, that's what it looked like after the hour. All right, so this is the cheesecake all the way out of the oven. I took the foil off the bottom, still got a little water in there, but it's okay, it's not bad, you know what I mean? It ain't gonna affect the taste of it or nothing like that. So you're not gonna taste water when you bite into it or nothing like that. So no worries there. Like I said, just a little minor crack, like right there. But as it refrigerates and freezes overnight, those things will condense and come together, and it's gonna look like you know what you're doing, because you know it's gonna look like I know what I'm doing over here. You know what I mean? So, but that water bath definitely helps to keep it flat, because it'll be like a crater that goes all the way around. And I learned that the hard way, because I didn't know why I was doing that. But yeah, with that water bath, it keeps everything nice and you know, moist inside the oven, keeps everything even. And as you can see, I'm making a second cheesecake. I'm using the Honey Made graham crackers for the crust, and I'm using the exact same recipe as I used for this one. As you can see, the cracks are already starting to condense and disappear, and like I said, they weren't big major cracks anyway. So anyway, I'm making a plain New York style cheesecake. With this one, I'm gonna put the freeze dried strawberries on top of it, and like I said, the exact same recipe. And I think with the next one, I'm gonna try using golden Oreos. All right, so this is the New York style cheesecake straight out of the oven. You see how it looks smooth all the way around. Came out perfect. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna let these freeze overnight. We'll be back in the AM. All right, it is now 9:46 in the AM. About to take these bad boys out the freezer, see what they look like. All right, so this is the Oreo. Oh yeah, it's settled in real nice. Don't even see those little minor cracks that was in there when I took it out. Let's see. Take this off. Oh yeah, that's it right there. That Oreo cheesecake with the Oreo crust and the Oreo crumbs mixed in. It looks real nice. And this one right here is the New York style cheesecake. Ooh, she look pretty. Oh yeah. And there she goes. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If you decide to try this at home, let me know how it comes out. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time.